You already know it's a collab with Vintage Lifestyle and $1 Million Dream. This is Whiplash, you know what I'm saying? We out here at the car meet, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know who fucking threw that shit, but whoever they did, I'ma tell you one thing. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. We about to get busy and we about to whip with the last whipping. 360 tipping, 370 wide body on that bitch, flexing on that.
Double up, 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble up.
Shit. Oh fuck. Alright you guys, we're here at, what meet is this by the way? DMV and Flagship? Alright, cool. So we're at the DMV flagship meet right now. Nice cars out. Alright, should we start walking? Or?
Yeah, let's go. They bring out
niggas on their Meek Mill shit. What? They grilling out here. What?
They got a taco truck over there too.
Hey. Oh, that's the same car that I kept seeing at Gemini Raps.
No, that's
Hey, D-boys. I gotta be tuned sooner or later. This gotta be me soon. Who?
that runs
Oh, the painter. Yeah, I think I follow her in my private. See, this is where I wanted to park.
Yeah.
This is parking open. Then people are parking next to me.
No, this is the twins. So it's this drink and that. I wonder where they at. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh, it's not this?
No, it's this.
Bro, I saw it over there. It's just a fucking UFO.
It's this and that blue Bjorn or multicolored Bjorn.
It's cool. Not my type, but it's cool.
You went to TC?
Hey, this is clean. Must be nice. Get a nice little daily. Nice little hash life. Food out and everything, man. It's kind of making me hungry. A lot of Mustangs, dude. God, Mustangs. Must be nice to have bags. Wow, must be nice to have a functional splitter. That's actually kind of funny. I actually fuck with that. It has. Yo, this is wild. It's like some Walking Dead shit. Tire bar boys, pretty clean. Yo, I don't know if I'm paying attention more to the ladies or to the cars. I can't tell. Yo, where's Tom at? Let me send Tom a text. That's definitely a supercar. I say it sounds like a supercar. I'm looking for some like heat, bro. I'm trying to find like something crazy.
One man on the cam.
Poppin', we working today. How you been?
You said, bro.
Chilling? I don't know if I'm paying attention more to the cars. Can't tell.
Because I only live 5 minutes down the road. So if y'all on the run, hit me, and I'll just pull up at my shit.
There's potential everywhere, bro. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Bitches.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look.
He was like, man, since the clubs open, no really bitches at the comments. I said, no.
No, you gotta look.
No. Oh, yeah, I did say that. Yeah,
Like I said,
you like what?
Some of them just come just because they like to see niggas with nice cars.
Yeah, but they need to leave with those niggas with nice cars.
So you gotta let them know that you have a nice car.
Yeah, I tried to park in the open, but everyone parked next to me.
You didn't want us to park next to you?
No, but like spread out. Like if I park in the middle, like someone park like one spot next to me. These biker niggas came to troll. I already know that 100%. These biker niggas came to troll, dog. I already know they came to fuck shit up.
and them niggas, they ain't catching them niggas. They about to be gone.
I'm in.
Okay, what are you doing, sir? Yeah. What the hell was that?
Fuck around, crash into the Durango.
Not the Durango.
We're gonna walk back to that side like we ain't see nothing.
What if we saw one of the Hellcat Durango? That shit.
I seen one at one of the Taco Tuesdays though.
One dude.
See me rolling. Controlling and gonna get me run. The Civic Boys is out, bro. Civic Boys is out here.
I feel like someone's gonna crash. I can't win something else. And I'm gonna be gone out.
The one in 370. I forgot his Instagram. It's like GH. Man, Shorty's is out. She needs to hop in a Z, bro. Yeah, you right there. Hop in a Z, bro. Oh shit. I don't know if he sees me. He's gonna see the vlog though. I don't know his name.
About to get mine, bro.
Grouper Boys is
I'm gonna
out.
join you back in the JVM.
Right, and then you gotta get a fucking 300 wide body, right?
Exactly, you already know.
300
you already
wide
knew I was
body.
going wide body. I like how you already knew I was going. But nah, no cap.
Or if you don't go with this 300, I feel like you have to go with like
we're
a
like over here, Ag.
type bar boys out
You
there.
hear that?
Nah,
Here,
chill.
look at this. I hope that.
They go wild. Open the car.
Here, listen.
All right, let's go. This guy right here, he's fucking touching the ground, dude.
Yeah, my group's still there. We're literally right there. It's a whole line.
Are they standing around the car? I think they are. My car. I think they're standing around my car. You want to H show up? You want to H show up? Good. All right. Ooh, FD! FD! Let's go. Finally some heat.
This is us.
Finally. Yeah, goddamn. Muscle Boys out.
We came deep.
Shit.
Yeah, so starting, this guy right here, so the box body over is like all the way.
Goddamn. This shit is fucking gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yo, this is that same RX-7 that's at that shop called Drivers some shit? Drivers Club? Dude, oh my god, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes fucking sir, bro. This is what I need in my life. Yes, this is what I need. RX-7.
I know. Nigga, I know what this is.
He want his G-Wagon.
Yeah, this is what I need, bro. Yes sir. Fake. Bro, listen, fake.
No.
Listen, no.
Look at the hips on him. Come on now.
Sick ass FD, bro. This is the goals, bro. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. This shit must be nice. I thought they sold this shit. Bro, this is goals, dog.
Damn. Look at all this.
And is it bagged? Bro, work wheels too. Oh my god, bro. Must be fucking nice, bro. I'm telling you. Turbo Z, RX-7, G-Wagon. That's the lineup right there, bro.
That's a blue pearl.
Yeah, bro, that shit is fucking clean as fuck. Like, yes, this is what I need in my life, bro. FD. I think they sold this. This was on drivers imports or some shit like that. They're located in Maryland. Nope, they're located in Virginia.
It has a fucking blue.
I think they sold it. I don't know.
Like
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I'm not tripping.
This shit is fucking nice,
Like buy a
dude.
whole bunch of pickup trucks. It's an RX-7 over here.
I wonder
Oh
how
my
much he spent
God.
for that though. Like the.
Bro, I know where they bought this shit.
How much?
from.
It's a
I
whole.
don't know.
bunch
I
of
think it was like
pickup
40 or 45. But it's
100?
drivers. No,
Oh.
45,000.
Oh. No, the fucking splitters and shit.
This is an RE Minia kit. It's like an RE Minia wide body. I don't know if it's an authentic kit. I think it is. It is. But this shit looks like a spaceship, bro.
And it got it's got the right.
Shit is nice. But how do you get it to stand up? Yeah, work wheels. Nigga has a CR one. It's just a fucking clean, dog. Like, must be nice, bro. This shit must really feel like a spaceship for real. I don't know what wide body this is, bro, but this is like goals as fuck, bro. Like for real, this shit is like beyond. One day, bro. That's all I can say is one day. Must be nice. Must be nice. MP boys, 236. I look cool. Oh my god. What the fuck? Dog, you heard that turbo? What the fuck that shit was? turbo.
That had to be a Cummins because it was a truck.
Yeah, but I know a lot of them come boosted, like, but turbocharged.
It might have been turbo.
I don't know what the fuck that was, but that fucking
Or
wine
it could have been
like,
a Pro Charger.
Probably.
Because it didn't flutter.
Yeah, it is, but some of them don't flutter though.
Oh, that's that type bar.
What's up? Ooh, Hooper boys.
Hey,
Who's that?
Abraham. It's a chrome type bar.
I know who you
Hey, fuck. SCI hash. Let's get it.
on the way here.
Shit, if I had a McLaren, I'd cut you off too.
Wait, where's the McLaren? Oh, yay, finally, something nice. Whoa, what the hell? I was not ready for him. Shit. You know, this nigga can't.
Whoever that is, they got chill, bro.
Anyways, some gold. Finally, something nice. Looking super.
Got an R35.
Thank you, the nice car.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
You should go to
Would you rather have an Aventador or a Huracan?
I think this is a Aventador.
This is a Aventador. Would you rather the Aventador or the Huracan?
I would drive a Performante.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Performante?
Performante 100%.
Yes, sir.
That's what I want.
Can't go wrong with a Perfy, bro. That's the same wrap that I think DK has on his Tokyo Drift.
That's a killer.
So I think with the GTR, it's like it became like a YouTuber car.
Yeah, exactly.
Like everyone that got like 1 million subscribers, they caught the GTR.
Because all they knew is because it was popular.
Yeah,
so
because it was popular.
This was calm. Because then I could just
His gunshots gonna fuck him with camera.
No, that's why the cops be coming.
That'll get this whole
If the
thing
doors
shut
go up, her panties go down.
You're dumb as shit, but you're speaking facts.
Remember that. Never forget, when the doors go up, the panties go down. What's up?
It's Homer.
Oh, shit.
Homer Simpson.
I mean, it's cool, but I don't know, bro. If it's not kitted up, I mean, like, it's for me, like, I don't really. I still like to do stuff, but I don't really get like crazy over it.
Show me this minivan got an SRT in it, bro. I swear.
What if it does? That should be crazy.
So my man.
That shit.
Carbon hood on the. 720 wheels. That's nice. I thought it was a Nismo for a second. I said, he has a Nismo for.
My car is louder than
Probably has to keep revving so it gets the gas to the exhaust pipe. cables, light ass wheels. It's pretty clean. I'm sorry guys if you're watching this with like orange fucking. Yeah, that's kind of fun. I had to grab her ass. I think it's no. This is my joke.
like a solid ass thumbnail.
I know. Shit would look sick.
Oh, and you got the steering wheel hanging up in that thing, man.
Lower the Empire.
If I do that, I'm definitely getting a detachable steering wheel for the Subaru. 100%.
Oh yeah, dude. No, that's gonna be dope if you get the Super Bowl. I hope you do.
I really do too. I'm gonna see how much they'll give me for my Mustang.
Mm-hmm.
How much they want.
If it's like 400, would you do it?
I mean, I paid $5 for the fucking Mustang.
Oh my God. Then without
wandering.
Miata boys, Fiat boys, sad boys. Yo, I gotta see the FD again, man. I'm like falling in love with that shit. No, it was behind the truck. This is why I came here for. Please be there. Please still be here, bro. Please, please, please. I see you. Yes, let's go. FD, FD. Yes, sir. This is why I came here for. Oh my God, bro. One day. One fucking day. Must be nice. This shit's hella clean, man.
You good with the light?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. This is from Driver's Motorsports, right?
Oh, I have no idea.
Oh, it's not yours?
No.
Oh shit, I thought it was yours.
Mine
I was about to say.
Or I don't have an RX-7. But...
Shit, I'm trying to get one day. Must be nice. Yeah.
This car's not here.
Dude, this shit is so fucking nice, bro. This is after. Oh shit, right? Damn, it's all hell. Got your dream dog? Got my dream car. Shit. Yeah. He kind of reminds me of him too, just always looking around, always like walking in circles around me and shit. Hell nah, bro. If he saw him, bro, hell nah. He aggressive? He's not aggressive, but he'll test any, like if you feel like you're gonna try him, he's gonna test you. Like
you ever try to speak German to it? I heard you speak that shit too, man. Like
it's like
whatever that German.
Dude, work wheels, this shit is so fucking. This is God damn, bro. This is a spaceship for real, bro. Oh my God, bro. God damn. Oh shit.
You don't want to get footage of this shit?
I'm just in love, bro.
I know.
Dude, this shit is so fucking nice, bro.
Let's find you some other love.
Okay, we'll go. One day, FD, I will have you. One day.
That's my guy.
Should we walk across? Say fuck it. Ooh, hurricane. That's the loudest car I heard so far. He's like, nah, chill. Oh, man's about to... I was not ready for that, bro. Bro, I was not ready for that shit, dog. Holy shit.
I was not expecting that shit, bro.
Bro, me neither, dog. Holy shit, they're trying to see around too.
Might find a rep.
Nah, they're trying to see this guy. We're not in school, bro. Oh my God, bro. What the fuck? I know you can do that, right? I
got two steps, but it's not like that.
So wait, does like the turbo kick kind of like?
Oh yeah, it made it way louder than when I was in there.
Oh word.
Oh yeah, do the burn out in the arch. That's crazy. What if that nigga just did the biggest burnout on the man?
Yeah, I would like that too. Or if anything, I'd probably like that. Like, if probably like him, I'd probably do it like one time and then one thing and then that's it. I'll give you guys a show one time and I'm not doing no more. That's it.
I should fuck out, you might be laughing.
Right? And who's gonna help pay for this? Nobody. So
I want to have fun with them.
that shit was wild, bro. Good. I said on my vlog like 1,000 times, I was like, I don't know who I'm paying attention more. Who I'm paying attention more. The cars or the girls? I'm not sure.
I see this one girl.
Not sure which one.
Had the strap on her
thigh.
Oh, it is.
Talking about the Charger.
Oh, yeah. We're talking about no, bro, I was looking at hella fucking girls, bro. Like,
I'm with you in the alligator car.
I couldn't tell which one. Oh, shit. I thought somebody hit his ass. I was like, oh, shit.
On a car ride home.
I'm like, damn. We in LA.
Yo, his head hit the top of the thing. His neck gonna be broken.
We in LA right now. Oh shit. This nigga doing tricks. Right? God damn.
Damn.
Whoa, let's acknowledge him. This motherfucker quick though. This shit twerking.
This shit twerking.
God damn, boy. It went to this building. You don't see those? No, you good, bro. You good. Oh shit. This nigga yiking and everything. Yo. No bullshit. That's tight though.
I'm out. We only had traction on.
Oh, bag boys here and out. Got the street for you guys get hit. Yeah.
Who about to hit me?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Me, nigga.
He gonna walk out the motherfucker.
Niggas dying. These look, they try to go home from work. Like, what's all this hooligan stuff going on?
For real?
Yeah, look at them, they're regular people. Yes. Oh my god. Must be fucking nice. Oh, you can hear it supercharging.
Hell yeah.
You hear that whine?
That shit whining.
It's like,
What 21 say? Supercharger whine like the car mad. Oh!
damn. But this, oh my god, bruh. Fuck. One day.